Okay, this is a process for a bench and garden chair, teak wood garden chair. We have made. This is the leg, left and right. This is seater, and this is final touch up processing. This is ready to deliver to our customer. Okay, this is the table. This is a long oval outdoor table, teak wood also. All the product from us is made by material of teak wood. This is our processing for assembly. This is a tabletop on assembling processing. This is our machine team in division. This is material division logistics. For support the machine, we have a molding machine, a media molding machine. You can see in the front of us, there is two chamber of oven wood.